Hey guys, welcome back to Cheesy Crafts. I have no idea what I'm doing. I was gonna film a video showing you I wanted to make like a card using this Darcy So Corny stamp set, which is so cute. I love candy corn, not to eat it. I just love the color combination during fall. I know that's kind of weird. And I wanted you, like I said, to get inspired to use it, but it's like my brain's not functioning today. In here drinking coffee. The lights are flickering on and off because of the hurricane. And I'm like, I honestly have like a brain fart. I have no idea what else to do with this. So basically what I did, and I'll just kind of show you, I'm not going to show you the final product obviously because I haven't finished it. Okay, so basically what I did, let me see, because you guys, I have a disaster right here in the table. And I have a brain fart because, I don't know, I just can't function today. So I have, this was Canson watercolor paper. So I trimmed this to right around this size. And then I used my Spice Pumpkin Distress ink along with my yellow, which I can't find. I think it's either mustard seed. Yeah, mustard seed. And then I left the white to create that candy corn look to it. And then I came back and I used my Pearl Colors, which is the lemon yellow, I think. Hold on. Pearl Lemon Yellow. I used this one to give it that glittery look. And look, this is different than this one right here. This one's more like spotted. And then this one just looks a hot mess. And I ended up using the Penny Black Antique frame to give it this shape, like a ripped up look. And of course I stamped and colored my images. I feel like I want to add some foam circles. By the way, if I lose power, it's because I don't want to lose power in the middle of filming. So that's why I'm like, maybe I just shouldn't film today. But it's going to be even worse tomorrow, I think, because the storm, that's when the storm is actually going to hit us. So put this little guy to stand up like right there. And then maybe we should put the one that says "You're so corny." We use our Ranger ink. If I could get it, let me try to get it. Is it even on straight? Let's hope so. And that's it. Now, what to do from here, I don't know, because I've been working on creating backgrounds. And look, I was making a polka dot one, but I messed up there, so I didn't like it. And then I was working on making like a crackle look, and I missed a portion there, and I didn't like it. And then I was trying to do the whole paper, and I messed up this side. So now I'm just going to be using it for scraps. And I was like, you know what? I'm so over this. I'm so over this project. I know, right? So I don't know. Maybe, you know what? Maybe I'll just stick this inside a planner. Or like my little Halloween TN and call it a day. I don't know, you guys. What was I gonna say? So about 5 minutes ago, the mail lady came And I was like, well, let's do half of a project in a haul video because I was waiting on some stuff to come in. See, that's pretty. I don't know, like I like this part. It's the background. Maybe because I don't have a lot of background stamps that I could use like for myself. I don't know if I want to cut this one because it's not even, so I think I'm gonna do that. And so it's gonna be, what was I saying? It's gonna be a half a project made. If you want to learn how to make these, it's really simple actually. And then I have to help Mike put on a ceiling fan. So I have like a lot of stuff to do. So that turned out cute. And that's all I have, you guys. I don't, like I said, the intent was to make like a little Halloween card, but I wasn't liking the backgrounds that I was creating for these. So maybe if you guys want to see, call it a day. What do you guys think? Obviously not using that paper, but we're gonna use it as a scrap. We're just not gonna use it for this project. So I don't know, these ones are smaller, so maybe like a smaller card, but that was the idea. But I didn't like the orange, so we'll see. That was half the project, you guys. That was as far as I got. Okay, so let me put this away, and then I'm actually going to put my brushes, because like I said, I was over here painting, playing around with my brushes, with these, just trying to blend everything. So let me somewhat clean up, so at least this video is not made into a waste. And we're going to bring in the stuff that I got. Okay, so let me remove this mat because we're not watercoloring anymore. And I'm gonna bring over my first items. These are from Perkily shop, and I recently signed up with them to receive the monthly kit for $20, and I believe it comes with like paper and one 4x6 stamp set. So this one is called You Get Me, which is just a bunch of sentiments about a relationship. I think it looks like a relationship. It says, you, let's be weird together, we make quite the odd couple, and I like it. Thanks for always being my part-time therapy and full friend. So of course this is relationship inspired. This one is called Wild. I don't know if I said this in a previous video, I think I have, but I want to start using more stamps incorporated into my traveler's notebooks so that they're not as bulky. So hence that was the inspiration for subscribing to them. And of course, you guys know if I don't use what I receive or what I get, or I don't like it, then it's gonna be passed on to you guys. So I have 2 of these stamp sets from, like I said, Kelly, how do you pronounce her last name? Kelly Perkily. Perky shop. Kelly Perkily shop. I want to put an L in there, but I don't think there is. Okay, the rest of the stuff came from scrapbook.com, and like I said, thank you post office for working even when the hurricane's approaching and delivering our stuff. I ordered a bunch of things, and the reason this one's, I think, Clearly Kelly. This one's called Coffee and Donuts. This one is called Sea Aquas. This one is called Tropical Waters, and this one is called Floral Hues. And the reason why is because I've made the decision that I'm only going to keep my Stampin' Up! Inks. The other ones I am going to honestly probably be giving away. Probably in a giveaway. I don't have the space for it, so I'm kind of switching over to mini inks. It's just that, like I said, I am almost at the point where I have the entire inks for this company, and I really love these. I've been using them. I mean, I had some inks that were so old, like 2002 old, and they were still working. And I've recently like reordered the whole color collection, and I'm gonna stick to this company, but I still want to try the mini versions of others. So anyways, that's my explanation for buying these little ones and trying them out, specifically because I don't have the storage for the bigger ones, so I'm just gonna switch to the smaller ones. Okay, I got this Project Life corner punch, and the reason why I got this is because you guys know, I think I complained about it on another video. I've had this one forever. This one's from Creative Memories, I think. Yeah, Creative Memories. I've had this for forever, but it's at the point where even Mike trying to fix this little corner, sometimes the paper still gets stuck. So I was gonna keep this because it still works. It just has like mood swings, and it only works when it wants to, and then in certain out of nowhere, like the paper will just get stuck on that corner and it won't cut anymore. But 80% of the time it still works. So in lieu of that one, I purchased this one. I purchased this one, which is the corner chopper, and I am not impressed. Like, I don't want to talk negative about a company, but this for me has not worked. Part of it, like I said, is brand new, not even, probably like a month, and the paper is already getting stuck there. I don't know. Like I said, I don't want to talk bad about a company, but this has not been working for me. Maybe you guys know something, I don't know. I don't want to just throw it away, even though it's a little bit malfunctioning. Like, maybe I'll just keep trying it and giving it more of a chance to prove itself. Ordered the corner rounder to kind of be my backup in case these two are not working. However, I think I just realized that this one's a little different. We're gonna give this one a try, and that's the reason why I bought it. Let's see, what else did I have? Okay, I ordered these honeybee stamps, die sets, but I think they're like the same thing. You know what that means? That just means one's for you. Actually, this one is an actual card, so you can make this into the actual shape and card of the cup, and then this one is just the gift card holder, but I'm not gonna do that. Honestly, I like the size of this one. It's probably at least 1.5 inches taller than this one. So I'm going to keep this one, and then I'll put this in the giveaway pile. My intent for this is, you guys, I think by now you guys would have seen the teacher's traveler's notebook and the teacher little sticky notes or note little pads that we created. Well, part of that gift, I am also going to cut out like this shape of cup or card, and then put a gift card there for like Starbucks or something, and that's gonna be like their teachers' Christmas gifts, and that's gonna be the last teachers gift idea that we create for Christmas. So like I said, I'm probably gonna pick like a pretty Christmas paper and then just make the cup, the cards, and then just slide in the gift card so that they could go along with the traveler's notebook and then the sticky notepads. So this one, more than likely, it's gonna be on the giveaway for you guys. So along with all that, I also got these little puffy stickers from the Pink Fresh Studio. Not like I need any more stickers, but just little cutesy things for a traveler's notebook or the planner. I also ordered, I know this is kind of older version from Concord and 9. This was on sale, and I got the Sweet Aren't You Sweet stamp set. Okay, you always use it for next year, obviously. I also got the lace leaf stamp set for Thanksgiving inspired cards. I have the little mixtape dies because I have a project in mind for this that's going to be super cool. And the last stamp set, it's Coffee Talk. Once again, this is obviously gonna go along with this right here. So this one's by Altenew, and it's Coffee Talk, and it just has little sentiments about coffee. Basically it says, you are beautiful, we are the perfect blend, use a little something to get your back in the grind, to get you back in the grind, you mocha me happy. You mocha me happy. Just cute sentiments, again, used to decorate the coffee gift cards that we're gonna do. And I ended up getting a few stamp sets from Deep Red. You guys know I absolutely love them. This one's a few snowmen, and this one's called Winter Night. And that's it for stamp sets. For paper, well, for sequins, I got this little winter snowflakes with a little bit of pink thrown in there. I'm gonna be making, obviously, the snowman, hint hint. I'm gonna be making some snowman hints. And then for paper, you guys already know, I got the 8th grade because I am gonna be working on, let me pull you guys up a little bit. I am gonna be working on my kids' first day of school pictures. So I'm gonna use this as the background, and then this, although it says put your picture there, yeah, that's not gonna work. I'm gonna need a bigger page for that, so I'm gonna work it like that, make it like a 2-page. And then of course I got one for my little 4th grader, and that's it. And that's all the stuff that I got. So anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna leave you guys here because I gotta make breakfast before we lose power, and I gotta help Mike put up the fan in Adriana's room, and that's gonna be it. Sorry I didn't finish this project, you guys. I just honestly, you know what, sometimes you get those moments where like, okay, you gotta just take a break, come back to it later. That's exactly what I'm gonna do, because I've been trying to finish this all day yesterday, and I would stop, go do home chores or go to the store with Mike, and then come back and the ideas were just not there. So like I said, hopefully you guys at least get inspired by these cutesy little things and then push it to make it like your own way. But thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.